want to thank everybody that's taken time to watch, any of these guitar videos that I put out. It's getting harder week by week to pull it off, but I don't know how I've gotten close to 1,000 subscribers. And I think about, man, what should I make a video about? It gets harder every time. So I thought, I'm going to start focusing on, things that I really feel that beginner, intermediate guitar players, should sort of focus on, learn your songs, do what you do, watch everybody's channels. But, when you stop here, it's like a pit stop. You need a new tire, you just need a quick, oil change or something. But, I'm thinking about talking about diatonic thirds, in the key of G, and how you can just kind of goof around with them and come up with ideas, and just really opens the fretboard up. So, let's get in here and check this out. So I'm going to start up here at first with the third fret. That's my G note. G, A, C, D, E, F sharp, G, and if you're new to the guitar, and if you just kind of look at these six notes, these six notes, you're kind of like laying out, the notes of that scale. G, A, B, C. And if I wanted to make chords out of it, I'd have a G major, A minor, B minor, C, D, E minor. I could play that D as a D7, but anyways. So when I'm talking about diatonic thirds, I'm talking about the root and the third. So if I play that G chord, I'm going to play my root and my third scale tone, 1, 2, 3. And when I play that minor third, I'm going to play root, A, and my minor third, which is a C. Kind of get these little major triad, minor triads out of this. So anyways, I'm just looking at, kind of just playing these 2-note chords. And I'm going to show them to you on 3 different sets of strings. So, one starting on the low E string here, 3 and 2, 5 and 3. And I'm using, when my ring finger here is on the 6th string and my index finger is here down on the 5th string on the 3rd fret. So my minor shape is 2 frets, and then my major shape is half a step. So this would be C. Here's C and here's E. When I go to D, my E minor, this is my E note, and this would be my G note. This is my flat third. If it was an E major, it would be G sharp. Instead of really, my F sharp diminished, this is my flat third, and I would have a flat 5th to finish out that triad, and then right here, back home, 15th fret, 14th fret. So anyways, so that's, one way that you can experiment with them. Let's check out, going down here to the middle strings, D and G. So this is, this is where I would consider my home base. 5th fret on the D string, that's my G note. And then here is my B. my B note on the 4th fret of the G string. If my next chord down this way towards the headstock would be my F sharp minor with my flat third. And this would be sort of my E minor with E and G. Moving forward into the chords, here's my A minor, B minor, C, D, E minor, F sharp minor, back home to G. So, that's 2 ways now to kind of, and this can be moved around. I'm just using G as, the people's, key. If I was an A, I would just move all of those shapes. There's A, B minor, C sharp minor, D, E, and so forth. It's just depending on, where you start. So the 3rd way is down here on the bottom 2 strings, B and E. So if I go down here to my 8th fret on my B string, that's my G note. B, C, D, E, F, G. So once again, pop. My B note is right here on the 7th fret. So there's my little G major sort of triad shape. So my next position here would be this A note on the B string, and here's my C note down here on the, and that's going to be the same shapes that are just going to kind of crawl up. Here's C, here's D, E minor, F sharp minor, and then here's G. Give it a little twinkle. Those would be, 3 basic ways to use, your diatonic thirds, in key, but, say you have, a progression. It doesn't have to just go up and down the scale. Say off the bat, say you have your 1, 4, 5 kind of thing going on, just, for like a basic example out of, using any of those 7 chords. Say you have, a 2 hitting your A minor, up to D, back to A minor, to G. And because of the way that the guitar is tuned, with playing thirds with G, you can kind of like strum some some strings around those 2 note thirds and kind of create open sounds, using them as like a basis.